Add the advanced posts block in the Gutenberg editor, then pick timeline from the layout chooser. You can set sub-layout and other settings to match your design. You can also set the posts query to control what's shown. Filter by tag. Set posts per page. Choose an order. Timeline Options holds every setting for the timeline layout. Set the timeline's direction, horizontal or vertical, orientation, even odd, odd even, start or end, decides which side of the line each post sits on. Group by splits the run into sections. Year turns each post's year into a heading. Switch to month for a month and year heading. Date position moves each date. Gutter and badge lifted out beside its own marker. Dot style redraws each marker, filled, outline, or ring. Reposition the dot to start, center, or end. And adjust dot size and line width. The Style tab carries its own timeline options, this time for color. Line color sets the connector. Dot color fills each marker, and dot active color highlights the active one. You can change the other options for the article and its elements as needed. Rather than build it yourself, open the template library and import a ready-made timeline. Publish the page, then open it on the front end to see the finished timeline. Turn your post into a dated timeline, grab it today.